Look at him.
There's 23.
AJ, don't yell.
It's on your shirt.
Hey.
These are cute. No, to give to your friends?
Can I eat one?
No, they're crayons.
Oh. Can I have one?
No. Yeah, you can have one, but I gotta go get a book.
AJ, you don't have to make the noise.
When is your book due?
What book?
For school.
It's just a book.
When do you gotta take
What
it in
is it, Samson? What's the matter? Did you get the ball?
Are you gonna be able to
Hey,
tomorrow?
Samson!
It's at 9, right?
AJ, quit before he
Rainbow
accidentally
Day
bites
is
you.
tomorrow.
Aww.
Rainbow Day is tomorrow. Rainbow Day is the day we get to wear as many colors.
I told Jimmy I made him perform it in front of me so they couldn't go see him. Samson, what is
Are
it?
we going to see Angie's?